today we'll be making an adorable bubble Easter deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch deco mesh, these adorable styrofoam bunnies, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So I will start out by saying you can double layer the mesh if you choose to do so. Or you can work with a single layer. Whatever you prefer. Alright, I'm going to take my mesh on the inner ring and tie it in a knot. Nice and tight. Just like that. Then I'm going to make a poof on my inner space. The size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be, but try to make them as uniform as possible. So I'm going to make a poof in the center space and in the outer space. So 3 poofs. Scrunch, twist my mesh, and then come back to my first space. And I'm going to make 3 more poofs. So I'm just going to continue repeating the steps all the way around my ring. You can scrunch it and add 3 rows to each section if you choose to do so, but 2 rows usually makes a pretty decent sized wreath. But again, if you want it thicker and bubblier, then add another row. Alright, I'm coming to the end of my mesh. I'm just going to twist it and I'm going to tie it in a knot around the cross ring. Just like that. Take another row of mesh and just continue on where I left off. I usually go with 2 rows in each section, and that usually makes a pretty decent sized wreath. But if you want it bubblier and poofier, then you can definitely scrunch it and add an additional row. Whatever you prefer. So I'm coming to the end of my mesh. I just cut it off of the roll, and I'm going to twist it a few times and come to the center and just tie it in a knot. And then tuck it away. And now I'm going to kind of adjust and manipulate my mesh a little bit. If you double layer the mesh, this would be the point where you would separate the layers. Okay, it looks so cute and poofy already. The green mesh is supposed to serve as grass. And I have these cute little bunnies who are going to be hiding in the grass, which is going to be so cute. And I do like that you can kind of bend and manipulate the stems. So I'm just going to kind of slide it in place and wrap it around my wreath ring. Alright, so I think the little bunnies hiding in the grass is just so cute and adorable. But I am going to add an adorable little bow right on this side of my wreath. So I'll link in the description box down below more detailed instructions on how to make some different cute decorative bows. But pretty much I'm just looping one side and layering them together. Not measuring, nothing too intricate, but just putting a few pieces of ribbon and bows together just so I can have something kind of hanging there, which is so cute. I'm going to take my stem and just twist it all together. You're going to have more pieces, fewer pieces, whatever you prefer. And I'm just going to take that stem and attach it to my actual wreath ring. Again, you don't have to add a bow. You can just add more bunnies. You can add some cute little Easter eggs or even some adorable little carrots. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.